How to invite friends to like your ConnectYu page. Pages on ConnectYu are meant to represent businesses, brands, organizations, or public persons. To create your ConnectYu pages, follow the steps below. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. On the drop-down menu, click on Pages. Clicking on Pages takes you to your ConnectYu pages. To access a page, click on its profile. Clicking on the page's profile takes you where you will find all the page's details and actions. Here you will find an invite friends to like this page link. Click this link to invite you, friends. After that, click on the invite button to invite a particular friend.